Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. It's a happy mail unboxing between Lisa from Lisa's Crochet and myself. I got the package right here and I've already opened the seal. So now let's dig in and see what goodies are in there. This is the package. Just trying to cover all the information. Okay, let's go right in. I see a little something in here, but I'm trying to look for a card. Sorry for looking down. Ah, I found a card. Here we go. Now, oh, so excited. Aw, is that ever pretty? Lovely birds. A hummingbird. I don't know if I can read this out loud, if she wants me to or not. Unfortunately, I have very bad eyes and I have to read things with a magnifier, so bear with me. I hope you enjoy the hand-dyed yarn from my hometown of Lindsay, Ontario. Oh, that's so lovely. Dear Karen, thank you for thinking of me to do a happy mail exchange. Thanks for watching my vids. I look forward to watching yours. Thank you, Lisa, XOXO. Lisa's Crochet. Okay, I'm going to put this right over here where I can look at it. And now let's get into it. Oh, I see a little package. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness gracious. It's too pretty to open. Look at this. Oh, isn't that adorable? Look at the glitter and the little bow. Oh my gosh. Oh Lord, I don't want to wreck it. Okay, let's see. Oh boy. She taped it up good there. Oh, isn't this exciting? Exciting. Oh, wow. Look at, oh gosh. I have little buttons that say handmade on them. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting to get some like that so much and now I have them. Ooh, and look, stitch markers. You can never have too many of these. Actually, I was looking for some today. So this will come right in handy, and I'm going to be putting those buttons on to my projects. All right, let's dig in. Ooh, okay, we got something here first. Oh, and she wrapped it individually. It's like Christmas. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so pretty. This is from Ice Yarns. Look at how gorgeous that is. Look. Oh, you can't even see everything on the camera. It is so, so gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Thank you. And let's dig in for some more. Okay, oh, I can't get that out. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at the nice tissue. Glitter tissue. I'm just ripping and tearing at it. I'm not being gentle or nice. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. Oh, look. Oh, look at the colors. I don't know if it's really showing up on the, I think that's true to color right there. That looks so nice. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I love all the purples in there. Look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. Tangled Poets. That is gorgeous. Now, excuse me, I'm going to get the magnifier again. It's made in Lindsay, Ontario. It's 100% superwash merino wool. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. Free spirit knitting. It's 200 yards and a 4.5 to 5 millimeter needle. And the colorway is Pond. That's too gorgeous. Absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, it goes so well with the other one too. Okay, now we got this one. Everybody anxiously waiting. I know I want to just rip and tear and just be a little crazy fool open this up, but I hope that's not too noisy too. Ooh, look. Is that ever soft too? Oh, look at the sparkles. I don't know if the sparkles are even going to show. Oh, wait. I hope you see the sparkles there. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Oh, I love it. And look, with everything together. How nice. How beautiful. Oh my gosh. So gorgeous. And then you have the little package with all the little stitch markers in there. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. It's too funny because I sent her purples as well. So we both were on the same kind of purple kick here. But I didn't send her any sparkle stuff, but I gotta figure out what I'm going to make with all these gorgeous skeins of yarn. Well, actually this is probably a hank. Not too familiar with that yet. But thank you for joining me in this first unbagging, first video. I'm really nervous, if you can tell, and I feel kind of foolish talking to myself, but hopefully it wasn't too bad. Otherwise I'll have to, I don't know if I can redo it or not. I'll just have to put it up just as is. So bear with me. It should get better in the future. And thank you for joining me in this unbagging. And I hope you all have a really wonderful day. Bye-bye. Hi, I'm back. Not quite gone. In my excitement of opening up the packages, I ripped off the ball band off of the sparkle yarn. The twinkle, yes. Oh my gosh, it's DK yarn and it is 100 grams and it is beautiful. And I was just too excited, so I just ripped it off with the packaging. But I have to show you. I had to put it back on and show. Okay, thank you, Lisa. Thank you so much for doing this with me. I so appreciate it so much. I love just all my things I got. And you really made my day. So thank you so much. Love you. Bye-bye.